The Board of Decorators are an interesting bunch. We kind of come from all walks of life, all across the country.
I live in Charlotte and I grew up in Charleston.
I'm not a starving artist, so we're good on that element.
My mother would be thrilled.
I wanted to join the Board of Decorators to have the experience to visit these facilities and see what they're doing to change the industry.
Well, the group is great. A bunch of creatives, entrepreneurs. Everybody has their niche in this market.
We're all just a bunch of punk kids that get together and print shirts. So we all have a common goal and common careers.
Gildan is one of the biggest manufacturers out here, so to be recognized by them is the opportunity of a lifetime.
When you look at not only the scale and the scope of what they do, but how efficient they are at doing it.
Just the size of these facilities is kind of amazing. I mean, we stepped into this distribution facility and just looking up and seeing boxes upon boxes.
Just the logistics alone, it's cool to see in person.
When we talk to a lot of our clients, it's about social responsibility. And so being able to go firsthand and see it is going to just make it extra special. And then for me to be able to convey that message back to our clients.
Gildan has always been just the basic go-to brand.
Everybody's like, don't use Gildan. Gildan is, cheap. I don't feel that way after seeing the whole process. I'm like, no, you guys have it totally twisted.
I love traveling, so I was very excited about going to Honduras.
I'm a little nervous because this will be my first time actually out of the country, so.
When we first landed in Honduras, first impressions for the group were pretty amazing.
Biomass?
The biomass.
Biomass.
The sustainability that they're doing with the biomass, recycling pretty much everything that they use, from the cardboard tubes to the pallets. I mean, that's already stuff that they have gotten. It's not anything that they've purchased, they're just reusing it in a different way to create that energy. The other really cool thing that I found out about was the biotop.
That's used through a series of ponds, which Gildan cleans the water.
Those are things you don't think that big corporations do, right? You think that they don't have a soul. It's been pretty cool to see that Gildan actually has a soul.
The Gildan campus in Honduras is beautiful. I definitely got the sense that people were happy with their jobs at Gildan in Honduras.
We even got to see the infirmary and what they do for pregnant women, how they continue to pay them and help them with maternity leave.
The one thing I'm bringing back home, I think, is a new sense of appreciation for Gildan as a whole. Just knowing how that product is created and how well the people that are creating that product are treated is definitely eye-opening, and I feel like I can sell Gildan a little better than before.
For us, as people who use their products, we've seen it. We know what their pipeline is, and it's really exciting to leave with all of this knowledge and information that we get to share.
Been in the industry past 15 years. Gildan, we've really thought about what the customers are concerned about, and it makes me want to promote Gildan as my only go-to.